FOREX METATRADER. This particular indicator is meant for MT4. You cannot use these particular indicators on the MT5. This is a simple indicator, and I will show you how to use this particular indicator. The other indicator I have on my chart is just the inclination candle, and beside this it is just one indicator that give us this yellow and blue arrow. This yellow and blue arrow with the blue box or yellow box. The indicator is simple, and we are going to test if this indicator repaints or not. So let's check the history. Blue arrow is for a buy. You can use either of the blue arrow or the blue box for buy or sell, or you can use the yellow box as a confirmation or the blue box as a confirmation for a buy. Now let's check the history of this particular indicator and see if it is accurate before we check if it repaints or not. I am on 1 minute time frame. You can use these indicators on any time frame you want. I just want us to check it out on 1 minute, the signal generated by this indicator, and see how accurate it is. Now, to some extent, this indicator deliver well. This is a sell here, continuation here, this is a buy and continuation. Stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high for a sell, and for a buy few pips below the previous low before the signal was generated. So you can check it out on other time frame. So anybody can use this because this is just a simple arrow indicator. You can just attach it to your chart and use it to trade. You can use it the way you want on any time frame you want at all. Just follow the simple rule, and then you can add this particular indicator to your already or existing strategy for more confirmation. And this is just how to use this particular indicator. Now let me show you the setting for this indicator. This is the color for this box and the arrow for this particular Forex 2 indicator, and if you want the alert you can turn it on or off. This is the value that I use for this particular indicator. You can try other value and see which of the value work well for you. So the second indicator, which I'm not going to attach, I believe you can get it anyway, is this inclination candle, this red and white candle. So you can use the normal candle on your chart. So let's check if this particular indicator repaints or. Now let's go to our strategy tester here, this particular button here. I'm going to click on that, then you see how it works. And here is it, is the if it is indicator, you are going to use an indicator here, and let me show you the actual chart because I added it already and it's running. Now this is how you add it. Let me stop it now. Now you are going to select if it is indicator you want to test or expert advisor, but I'm testing indicator as the name of the indicator is this. You can pick it from the drop down, the indicator you want to use, then select any PS you want to try it on, select the time frame, the spread. You can use any it doesn't affect. You just want to check if this indicator repaint or not, and you can use every tick. So once you are done with this, just click on start here and see it in operation, if it repaint or not, if you can rely on the signal generated by this indicator or not. Just wait for it for a few minutes or seconds and let it load. Okay, now we have it. So you can click on play here. Let me circle so that you see at this particular point here. You can click on this. So if it is too fast for you to see, you can reduce it here also. But I'm going to increase it. I do not want this video to be longer than necessary. And you can check it, you can pause it along the way and see where it generates if it repaint or not. I believe you see it at this particular point here. Though this signal does not give us any profit, but it did not repaint. Here is another one, it did not. Now here is another one at this point. And let's check again. This is just how to check this particular indicator if it repaints or not. To my understanding, I have not seen this indicator repainting, so you can use it any way you want it and on any time frame. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and do give me a thumb up. The download link to this particular indicator is in the video description. Make sure you download it, it is free. Till I come your way again, keep on winning and bye for now.